Okay. Hi, Ori. Okay, so we have learned how to use the tables that we have done so far. We've learned to use them to work out our answers for the times tables. So we know that 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4, and 3 times 2 is 6, and 4 times 2 is 8, and 5 times 2 is 10, and 6 times 2 is 12, 7 times 2 is 14, 8 times 2 is 16, 9 times 2 is 18, 10 times 2 is 20, 11 times 2 is 22, and 12 times 2 is 24. So what I want you to practice for me today, since I'm not going to see you in today's session, I want you to practice using the houses backwards. And when we use the houses backwards, we are working out our answers for division. So you're going to practice the twos for me like this. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 22 divided by 2 is 11. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay? So when we read the table this way, that gives us our answer for times. Okay? So 12 times 2 is 24, but 24 divided by 2 is 12. 11 times 2 is 22, but 22 divided by 2 is 11. 10 times 2 is 20, but 20 divided by 2 is 10. 9 times 2 is 18, but 18 divided by 2 is 9. 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 divided by 2 is 8. 7 times 2 is 14, and 14 divided by 2 is 7. 6 times 2 is 12, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. 5 times 2 is 10, but 10 divided by 2 is 5. 4 times 2 is 8, but 8 divided by 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6, but 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4, but 4 divided by 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2, but 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay? So you're going to practice reading the table backwards for me. Okay? Let's go through the threes. 1 times 3 is 3, but 3 divided by 3 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6, but 6 divided by 3 is 2. 3 times 3 is 9, but 9 divided by 3 is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 10 times 3 is 30. 30 divided by 3 is 10. 11 times 3 is 33. 33 divided by 3 is 11. 12 times 3 is 36. 36 divided by 3 is 12. And for the 4s, 1 times 4 is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 divided by 4 is 7. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 divided by 4 is 8. 9 times 4 is 36. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 10 times 4 is 40. 40 divided by 4 is 10. 11 times 4 is 44. And 44 divided by 4 is 11. 12 times 4 is 48. 48 divided by 4 is 12. Okay? So we worked through for the times until the 7s. So let's work through the 5s. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 divided by 5 is 6. 7 times 5 is 35. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 8 times 5 is 40. 40 divided by 5 is 8. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 10 times 5 is 50. 50 divided by 5 is 10. 11 times 5 is 55. 55 divided by 5 is 11. 12 times 5 is 60. 60 divided by 5 is 12. And let's do the 6s. 1 times 6 is 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 divided by 6 is 5. 6 times 6 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. Sorry. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 divided by 6 is 6. 7 times 6 is 42. 42 divided by 6 is 7. 8 times 6 is 48. 48 divided by 6 is 8. 9 times 6 is 54. 54 divided by 6 is 9. 10 times 6 is 60. 60 divided by 6 is 10. 11 times 6 is 66. 66 divided by 6 is 11. 12 times 6 is 72. 72 divided by 6 is 12. Okay? And then you'll also work through the 7s in the same way. 1 times 7 is 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 3 times 7 is 21. 21 divided by